How to use promo code on Doordash. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to use Doordash promo code, you may follow up the steps. So, first of all, head over to Doordash application, and once you log in into your account, you should be finding this interface right here. So, now you may just head over and select your desired items and proceed to checkout. Look out for the product that you would like to add up, everything like every details that you would like to add up into your product. After that, tap on add item and head over to your cart and check out. Now, once you are checking out, you should be finding this interface on your screen where you'll be finding your product, including that a summary and the total fees. And including that, you should also find an option called add a promotion or discount code section. You may just go and look out for that section on your DoorDash application once you are checking out. And all you gotta do is enter the code exactly as it appears in the DoorDash card that you will be having physically. You can just go ahead and enter it in this enter promo code section. After that, tap on apply right beside it. And once that is done, if the code is valid, the discount should be reflected in your total amount. And you can just go ahead and use the promo code on DoorDash. And that's it. So therefore, if you would like to use promo code on DoorDash, you may follow up these steps as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.